Here is the worst country you can use Uber.
Keep squeezing. Boy, there is not much room. What's the cost of the card itself?
50 Turkish lira.
Hi, everybody. Bob Sokoler, travel team experts here at our hotel at the Conrad Hilton in Istanbul. A warning, if you are coming here, be careful of the taxis. Now, yesterday we tried to take a taxi from here at the hotel to downtown. We got a cab driver who was here at the hotel. He takes us partway, gets frustrated with the traffic, drops us off in Midtown, and then leaves, charging us the amount of money he had said he was going to charge us to take us downtown. Not good. And apparently, we're not the only ones having these types of problems.
Yeah, taxis here is the worst thing you can use here in Istanbul, and also Uber. Here is the worst country you can use Uber. You know, sometimes I order Uber and they text me on the app.
Yeah.
They say to me, "Where are you going?" I say, for example, I go to the Grand Bazaar. They say to me like, "You have to pay me $30 or $40." They don't use the
US
real
dollars.
money. Yeah, US
Wow.
dollar. Yeah. Especially when you are speaking English, they speak with you English and they know because from your name and from,
Right.
yeah.
They know where you're from and they
Yeah.
know you're a target. at that point, right?
Yeah. And they charge you by dollar, and they don't charge you the same price on Uber.
That the Uber app says, because we had that happen to us.
Yeah.
The Uber app said maximum 125, and the Uber driver texts me back 250.
Yeah. It's normal.
Normal.
It's
Not
normal.
in the United States, it's not.
It's normal.
Not in
Yeah,
many other
yeah,
countries,
because
it's
you can,
not.
yeah. But here is different. You know, here is different.
It is different. So
The Uber
what do
is different.
you suggest?
Me, I use the normal transportation. I buy Istanbul car, and I use the because here in Istanbul you can go to anywhere by transportation.
Oh, let's take a
Like,
look.
yeah,
So and how much does that cost?
this one is 50 Turkish lira.
50 Turkish, which
Yeah.
equals how much US?
Oh, it's like $3, almost
$3.
Yeah.
And that gets you on how many rides?
No, you have to charge it. Like you have to put balance, and
Okay.
every ride is like $half. Like when you put it, you charge. You put a balance inside. Like you can charge it 100 Turkish lira, and every click is like $half. Like if I go from here to any other place, I will pay like $half, and I can use with this card the ferry and the tramway, subway, bus, metro bus, everything, all kind of transportation here in Istanbul. You can use them with this card.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna use our Istanbul card, and we're gonna use the transportation.
Okay.
Now it's the peak time. Maybe it's a little bit crowded.
Yes.
Let's see
The only thing
how.
is, so you prepaid this.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
go ahead.
put it here. Now the price, I'm gonna show you
Okay.
the real price. You do. Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm
much?
going to do mine.
Well, the cost is like 8 lira. 8 or 9 is like $half.
So that's 8 Turkish lira.
Yeah.
The problem is, though, it's very crowded.
Yeah.
Yeah, there definitely are a lot of people
Yeah.
on these trams.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Let's go. We're gonna go there.
Holy smokes.
It's okay. Let's go. Only because near the Grand Bazaar there is no taxis. For that,
Yeah, so
all
we're going to have
people
to squeeze
use,
on here. Okay. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Boy, there is not much room. Oh, gee whiz. Now this, I'm just telling you, we're squeezing in. And you got to hold on. Okay, hold on. Are we on? Yeah.
Nice.
So this is the only negative. So
Yeah. Not only in the peak time, because now is the peak time.
peak time, yeah.
To go to the Grand Bazaar, you can't use taxi or something because they close the way. They open it after 9 p.m.
So it's
Like taxi cannot take you there, cannot take you inside the bazaar.
can't take you in there. Got that.
Yeah.
The cost is, you said, how much?
$half for each.
Half US, so 50 cents.
Like 50 cents. balance. Yeah.
Okay, which is really not bad. Anytime, and you can prepay your card for how many rides?
Anything you can, and if like we use only my card, we are three, and we use
Yeah.
only one card. We just have to put the balance inside and
Make sure
to
it's
use
there.
it. Yeah, 10%, 20%, they can use only one card, like family, big family, or friends, or anything. And
Yeah.
sometimes I got some customers, they buy for each one, they have card. No. You can use this card for a group, no problem.
So if you want to buy the card for each one of you who might be watching us now,
Yeah.
what's the cost of the card itself?
50 Turkish lira. Now is 50 Turkish lira. Before 2 months was 25, but now is 50.
50 Turkish
is
lira, which is equal to
less than like $2.50.
half dollars.
Yeah.
So just to make sure you realize what's happening, you have to buy the card. So that's 50 Turkish lira, or as Saad said, is $2.50. But then you can keep reloading the card as many times as you want, so that you keep it for forever and keep using it.
Yeah.
This is a perfect alternative, right? I mean, to get around town.
Yeah, to use them. This is also one of the public transportation. Like we use subway or tramway, we can use also the ferry to cross to the other side. Like if you take the taxi, they're gonna do a big round and they're gonna go by the bridge and a lot of traffic. But if you take this one, there is no traffic. Directly we drop you in your place. Like these ferries, there is many station. Like you can go to the Asian side, to Kadikoy, also is a very nice area in the Asian side. There is Uskudar, also very nice area in the Asian side. You can use the ferry. And also from Eminönü or Spices Bazaar, you can take this ferry to Beşiktaş. Also, this is another station there. It's better for you to take also the ferry.
And the thing that blows my mind is the cost. Because you take a ferry ride in any city around the world and it's going to cost you $20, $10, right? At the very least.
Like 8 or 9 Turkish lira for each one.
So 8 or 9 Turkish lira, which translates to about 50 cents, right?
Yeah, like
isn't that what we said?
Yeah.
So 50 cents.
Yeah.
50 cents for a boat ride.
We charge in the morning like 100 lira. It was like $5 or $6.
Yeah.
I was using the tramway 3 times and the ferry 1 time now, and we are 3.
Without question, the ferry is the perfect way to get from one part of town to the other. And before I go, I got to thank Sad, who is just a spectacular tour guide. And we will have his contact information right below here and below linked, or at least the information in the body of the video below. Thanks, buddy. You are really something.
Thank you so much, and welcome to anyone here in Istanbul.
Yes.
If anyone need any help or service or proposition or information, you can hit me on my Instagram. You can leave my Instagram or my WhatsApp. Yeah, it's also for free. If anyone need any information, you can contact me and I can answer to you.
He's a good guy.
Okay.
I'm Bob Sokoler, Travel Team Experts. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye-bye.